Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Oliver throws a dice. What is the probability that he will get a prime number? Now, in throwing of die, we have total number of outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So equal to 6. Out of these, number of favorable outcomes will be number of favorable outcomes will be all the numbers which are prime numbers. So 2, 3 and 5. So 2, 3 and 5 which is equal to 3. Therefore, and we know probability equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, which is equal to 3 divided by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. This is the probability of getting probability of getting a prime number. This is the answer.